Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a coffee filter butterfly. For this project you will need a pipe cleaner, coffee filters, water, and markers. I used the primary colors because I wanted the colors to bleed together to make new colors. The primary colors are red, blue, and yellow. They are used to make every color in the rainbow. I colored some spaces using each color around the filter. They don't need to touch or completely fill in the space. Don't forget that while coloring large spaces with markers, you should use the side of the marker, not the tip. It colors larger spaces and covers more easily. Using a brush with just water on it, I wet the coffee filter and watch the colors bleed together. While the first filter dried, I made a second. For the second, I tried something different. Butterflies are symmetrical. That means their wings look the same on both sides. So I folded this coffee filter in half and colored one side. When I wet it with water this time, the colors dyed both sides, making them the same when I opened it up. After the filters dried, I folded a pipe cleaner in half. I bunched both filters in the middle and slid them down into the V created with the pipe cleaner. Once you get the filters arranged the way you want, twist the pipe cleaner closed. The remaining pipe cleaner can be used to create antennae. I hope that you enjoyed this project, and if you are a Grandy student, please make sure to post pictures of your artwork on Artsonia.